Hey guys, welcome to this week's episode of Forex Forecast. I'm actually very excited because I'm starting something amazing this week. So I've actually noticed that a lot of you are actually very interested in learning how I actually forecast the Forex market, how I've been able to do it with precision for this is like the 43rd week. This is like 43rd episode of this weekly Forex forecast, or actually more than that, I can't remember, but whatever the episode is, I've been able to predict the Forex market with such accuracy, over 75%. The whole weekly analysis is always on this channel. You can go and verify that for yourself. 75% of the time that I predicted currency pairs on this channel, it has actually been spot on. Okay, so I actually want to shift this a little bit, make it much more educative for you, much more informative, so that every single time you watch my videos, you actually leave having learned something and also knowing what to do during the week. So it will be both educative and also a forecast of the week's event. Okay, so it's going to be amazing from now going forward. So I want you to pay attention every single time you see weekly Forex forecast on this channel. Just know that it is an educative content that also aims to forecast the market, give you an analysis of what to expect in the market the coming week. So it's a very amazing journey I want to start with you guys today. So every time you see my video, just know you're going to learn something, and this is my promise to you that guys, if you follow this channel, religiously and apply the things I teach, it won't take more than 3 months before you become highly profitable in the Forex market, and I want to make that a promise to you. Okay, so follow this channel. If you're yet to subscribe, do well to subscribe right now and give this video a thumbs up so that it will be recommended to you on a more frequent basis. Okay, so that said, let's dive right into the chart. Let me teach you guys what I have for you today. Let's get started. Catch you guys on the chat. What's up guys, how are you doing? Welcome again to my screen. So first of all, I'd love to say congratulations to every one of you that traded with me live here on Thursday. We made a lot of money together. For those of you, if this is your first time watching my videos, I come on here live every Thursday to trade with everyone here live, and we've been making money consistently every single week. So congratulations once again. We made a lot of money on USD/JPY on Thursday, and again tomorrow Monday, and on Thursday again I'll be live here to make money with you guys again. So congratulations everyone. So I have 5 currency pairs I want to share with you guys quickly for this week's forecast. Last week I shared 3 currency pairs with you, and 2 out of the 3 currency pairs went just as I predicted, just as precise as I predicted, and we also made a lot of money. Last week was amazing. I was able to grow some portfolios and managing for over 4%, some did 3% last week, which was very excellent, amazing week for me. So let's go ahead, let's dive right into the chart. Let me show you guys what to expect this week. So let's start today's analysis with Euro GBP. Euro GBP is a currency pair I have had my eyes on. I traded it a little bit last week, and this week also I'm seeing some amazing things that would actually interest us for this week. So we've approached this very major area, this major key level that we're expecting to see some form of resistance. So as you can see right here, this is a major level that has been tested multiple times as both support here and resistance, and we're back at that zone. So we're seeing this market actually resisting on a daily time frame. So what I'm expecting on a 4-hour time frame right now is actually a retest of that zone again. So I'm expecting that this week what will likely happen is that we have this zone here, which is a very major zone of interest, and we also have this zone here, which is another zone of interest. So I'm expecting this market to actually pull back all the way back down to this zone, probably do a liquidity grab somewhere at around the zone, which is a lot of liquidity, something like this, and then market will actually still push backward to test it for the second time. Okay, I'm hopeful, as I've already taught you guys on this channel, that most times when the market approaches an all-time high or a high that has been there for a very major key level, the market tends to retest it at least twice before actually bouncing off from that zone or taking a decision from that zone. So we are seeing on the daily time frame that since this is a very key level, that we actually need like 2 bounces on a daily time frame for us to determine whether this market will break above this zone or actually bounce all the way down, tanking from the zone. Okay, so we're expecting this market to actually still come down, do another retest. So my bias is actually for a buy. I want to buy this market back to this zone for another retest. Okay, so I want to wait for this market to come down. I look for entry somewhere in between this level, somewhere in between the 0.86 85 zone. Sorry, I have Katan, man. So between the 0.8687 zone and the 0.8668, okay, somewhere in between this zone, I'll be looking for entries to push this market all the way down, but all the way up back here, and then this market might or might not actually bounce from here either ways. Okay, so that's my bias on Euro GBP. So keep your eyes on Euro GBP. So let's move down to GBP USD. GBP USD is another currency pair that I've had my eyes on. It has been on a downtrend, and I'm very, very, very positive that this market is actually targeting this level here. This market is again this 1.9027 zone. So we still have some space to the downside. As you can see already on a 4-hour time frame, we are still on a downtrend. We're having series of lower lows and lower highs. Okay, so we are still on a downtrend as far as the 4-hour time frame is concerned. So I'm still expecting that this market will give us a push all the way down. So I'll be following this up on a 1-hour time frame. I'll show you what to expect on the 1-hour time frame. So on the 1-hour time frame, let me put a moving average on this so you see something. So as you can see, we are still trading above the 20 moving average and the 50 moving average, which is very discouraging for someone who actually wants to go, actually wants to push this market down. And also, if you put a trend line here, you actually notice also that this market seems to be respecting this trend line pretty well. So I just need this market to do two things for me before I sell. I need this market to actually not break above this trend line. It's permitted to do a liquidity grab. That's something like this permitted to do. That's fine, I don't mind. Then I need this market to break and close below this trend line, and also break and close below the moving average. Okay, break and close below the moving average, and then probably maybe do a retest but not break above it. Then I'll be looking for entry somewhere here to push this market all the way down. So this is what I'm expecting on GBP USD for me to see before I sell. My bias for this market is a sell, but it has to satisfy these two options as I've already shared with you. It has to respect this trend line, and secondly, it has to give me a break and close below the 20 and the 50 moving average on a 1-hour time frame. Then I'll be going in for a sell. Okay, so that's it. Let's move over to AUD card. AUD card is another excellent currency pair that has made me a lot of money this year. Okay, so I'm expecting this market to keep pushing that when a downtrend on the daily time frame, as you can clearly see. And also, if you move all the way down, all the way back, sorry, you can actually see that we might actually have some levels, some all-time low that this market might just be eyeing, and we might actually see the market push it down to that level, possibly so. So we've had a break and close below this initial level, which is these two candles we have here. And the market is still sitting pretty below the 50 and 20 moving average. So this is very positive for a downtrend. So I'll be following this up with a 4-hour time frame. I'll be hoping to actually see this market do something like this. If you put a Fibonacci level to this, you'll see that the 61.8 level is coinciding with this 20 and 50 moving average together. So somewhere at around the zone here is where we might actually be looking out for the market to find resistance. So if we're able to see something like this, okay, and significant resistance from this level, double top would be nice to see, or liquidity grab, that would be nice to see too. We might be able to see this market push down all the way down. Okay, so that's what I'm expecting. Or you can, my bias is downtrend, but I need to see this happen to get better entries for myself, for me to actually enter this market. So keep your eyes on AUD card. So let's move over to Euro CHF. Euro CHF is a no-brainer. It's almost the same to GBP CHF, which is the last currency pair I'll show you guys for today. So moving all the way back, you're seeing that this market is actually leaking up all this liquidity here. Okay, as we can see, it's actually trying to close up this gap here. This whole week, this long week on a daily time frame that we're seeing. So we still have some space to travel to the downside. The market is yet to touch it. So on a 4-hour time frame is a no-brainer. I just need the market to come back, do a retest, probably up this level, or a liquidity grab above this level. That would be nice. Okay, this is what I expect to see, and then we'll push all the way down. And as you can see, this is a zone. This is where our liquidity this is where we might see some liquidity that will push us down. So somewhere here is where we might be looking for liquidity, push us up, from this zone, then, tank all the way down. So this is what I'm expecting on on Euro CHF, which is very similar to GBP CHF. And last week I predicted GBP CHF with such level of accuracy and precision. In fact, the accuracy was shocking. Okay, I told you guys last week the market was at around here on, this was Sunday, right? Good. So the market was at around the zone on last week, and I told you that this market, in fact I was too precise. I told you that this market will likely not even give us a retracement up to the 50%. I mentioned specifically that we are going to get a retracement from the 38.2 level, which was exactly what happened. The market got to that level and then and pushed a little above it and then started tanking all the way down from there, just as I predicted. So again, that's actually what's going to be happening again this week, because we have some space to the downsides, which I will show you currently on a daily time frame. So on a daily time frame, you're going to see that we still have a very long week that this market will probably want to leak up before we decide either direction to go, whether to continue to go down or continue reverse upwards. Okay, so on the 4-hour time frame, if we put a Fibonacci on this, we are expecting this market to get to the 50%. It might not get to the 61.8. So anywhere from this level, anywhere right here is where I'll be looking for entries. I want this market to push anywhere between 50% and 61.8% is a good place to look for your entries and keep pushing this market all the way down. So GBP CHF and Euro CHF are quite similar. Unless any other thing happens, unless there's a fundamental news event that actually pushes the GBP up or pushes the Euro up, then this is actually a self-fulfilling prophecy that will happen sometime this week. The market will reverse back to the 50% level and actually start tanking. Okay, so this is what to expect on those 5 currency pairs. If you want to learn how I've been able to make money consistently from the forex market and how people are amazed how I predict the market with such accuracy, 75% of the time, guys, I'm correct. The videos are on this channel, so you don't need to go far. You don't need any other person to verify these things for yourself. Go through my videos, every single one of them, watch what I say, then go back to the market and see how it happens. Every single time I predict the market, it happens just as I predicted. 75% of the time. That's a high level of mastery that I can tell you only the 1% have in this industry. So if you want to learn from me and want to learn how to make money in the forex market, there's a link to actually get you to sign up for our private mentorship program. It's called the Cash Club 500 mentorship program. We try to extend the program into stocks and some other form of some other markets that will actually help you to make a lot of money. It's a very new program, amazing program for you to join and learn how I make money. There are over 35 videos currently on the program, on the learning part of the program, and we also do live trading together on the private mentorship group. So you'd love to benefit from what we have. We do trading together and we also send signals and setups on the group. You get access to members over a lot of people actually trading the forex market just like yourself. So it's an amazing opportunity for you to actually learn and grow your money. Okay, so that said, we also have a free program. The link is also in the description, and we also have a free Telegram community. Okay, so join the Telegram community, learn what you're doing in the Telegram community, also make money with us with our free signals that we send periodically on the channel. So love to see you guys on Monday, that is tomorrow. I'll be coming on here to teach you guys again how to make money in forex, and also on Thursday I'll be coming here to teach you guys how I trade and also share signals and setup with you guys live on this channel on Thursday. So subscribe, make sure subscribe to the channel, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. It helps the algorithm to recommend this kind of videos to you over and over and over again. So that said, catch you guys tomorrow. Love you guys, have a wonderful time in the market, and goodbye.